Hi, my name is Lyle. I'm the CEO of PeopleStream. Today we're going to be talking to you about how to get your HR projects up and running, and in particular how to have that discussion with your executive team. Okay, so you want to get funding for your HR project. Typically we find that there are issues with getting a business case approved. Whether it's a system or it's a project, people need to understand exactly what you're trying to achieve. Okay, so what are you trying to achieve? You want to identify the things that you're actually going to fix. You need to identify what happens if you don't fix it, what are the losses that are going to be incurred, and you need to be able to mount a solid business case to actually achieve those things. So let's say you have an initiative or you have a project that's coming up and you want to get the yes from the executive team. The things the executive typically want to see is they want to understand what you're going to fix, so what's the business problem. They want to understand how you're going to fix it, so what are the tools, resources that you're going to need, and they want to understand when they're going to get a return on investment, payback. Why are we talking about this? Around about 80% of business cases don't actually get approved. So what that means is you're not going to get your initiative up. Why? Because the business case isn't properly supported by numbers, it's not clear, there is no impact if you don't do anything. So we're suggesting you need a business case, you need to identify the numbers, and you need to be really clear on what you're fixing. Okay, to summarize, get the data, work out what you're trying to fix, put it into the business case, and present it clearly and concisely. If you're not sure how to do that or you're struggling with it, you should come to one of our business case workshops. They're fantastic. You'll learn how to do it and exactly how to go about it. And hey, we'd like to see you there.